Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I just made 3.5% from this oil trade. Okay, excuse me. But before then, my name is Collins King, and if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, welcome to the channel. Do turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also, give this video a thumbs up if you did gain any sort of value after watching the video. Okay, with all of that being said, let's actually get started with this. So obviously, as we can see, structure on H1 time frame broke super aggressive to the downside, right? And this is my breach line. This is the max threshold right here, all the way here, okay? And this is the guy who started all the way here. Just give me a moment, let me mark out the chart quickly. And so we had this pullback, bam, 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 pullback, bam, 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 and it came right back in aggressively. So what I was basically looking at was this guy. I was looking at this guy to reject, which it did, right? And also, it just goes to show that this resistance zone right here was also rejecting as well. So what I did was simply wait for price to close at this high, okay? And when price closed at this high, what I did was go down to 15 minutes time frame. Please give me a moment. So what I did was go down to 15 minutes time frame. As we can see, this broke super aggressive to the downside. You can see the time right here where it says 9:45. So this candle opened as 9:45 and closed as 10. But I didn't see my entry on 15 minutes. I went down to 5 minutes. Excuse me. My entry wasn't on 5 minutes as well, so I had to go down to 3 minutes time frame because of the fact that this stuff is just lagging my network. I think my network is lagging, and that's why I'm just fast forwarding the whole thing. But obviously we can see right here, this is like open at 9:57, right? This is a 3 minute candle and closes as 10, okay? 10 or open as 10, closed as 10:03, and it came down here, open as 10:03, closed as 10:06. So this is where I took my trade from. On my broker, it is 78.75, but because all brokers are different, basically this is giving me 78.82. But let's assume, let's make use of this price. So my stops was a 30 pips stops, and my take profit was for 100 pips. And we can see what price did, obviously, and we're having a very nice retracement right now. So obviously we can see how price dropped to the downside super aggressive. It was so aggressive, and right now we're having a pullback back to the upside, and price could potentially hold, reject from here. And if this doesn't hold, then it could potentially reject from here, because obviously all of this is currently pushing to the downside right now. Okay, so this was how I was able to capitalize on a sweet 3.5%, 3.33% in today's trade. Okay, so if you did gain any sort of value, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell as well so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And with all of that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.